With most of my videos, my son is in the background playing, and I want to preface that because there's going to be some extraneous noise. You may hear the air conditioning. You know, there's people with pretty studios that have the time to be able to do this without interruption, and then there's me. So, what you see is what you get. I got in the mail today, actually got 6 of these, but I'm just laying out the 4 I'm going to need for my build. I got ZTW Spider 20 amp high volt pro ESCs with, actually, I'll put it like that. There you go. Hopefully you can see it. If not, can you see it? Alright, there we go. These little buggers may weigh a tad bit more, but they have a capacitor which helps with cleaning up the power. So an example is your Little B or variants thereof have issues with voltage spikes, and this product does not. I'm going to include a link in the description below that will have not only where I purchased these, ImpulseRC, as well as a review of all sorts of tiny multi-rotor ESCs and their strengths, weaknesses, RPMs, grams to watt ratio, all that kind of stuff. So, as you can see there, twisted wire, pretty ample length. In the end, I'm not going to need that much. Has certificate of warranty. Of course, I will say warranty's only as good as the company that backs it. These were manufactured on the 27th, well, at least this one, 27th of January 2016. Nisenju Rokunen. No, my Japanese is a little rusty, but this is Chinese anyways. Comes with a manual. Specifications, instructions. Oh, here we go. English side, Chinese side. We're not going to worry about any of that right now. What I'm really curious about is how they're going to lay out on the frame. Cobra 2204 2300 kV motors. Pick these up at Get FPV with my Dominator V3s. Nice. Oh, perfect. It'll fit nicely. Let's see if it has the specs in here on the size of these little buggers. I'll include that in the description below as well. But as you can see, it fits really nice on the size. That the capacitor is going to have a little bump, so what I'll probably do is put a little foam in there, a little foam to separate out and keep it from rubbing. I've seen Mr. Steele put some vibration dampening tape, but I'm not sure what I'll do. When I figure that out, I'll video it and show you my approach. I also got in the mail about a week ago, 2 weeks ago. No, it was last week. Let's open this up so everybody can see it. I got my KISS flight controller. Hopefully this is all visible. If you noted carefully, that's actually a 1.3. I picked this up from Get FPV. They had it listed as a 1.03. They had it listed as a 1.02 when I ordered it, but the version that I got in the mail, you can even see on the packaging, it says 1.02. 1.02. But I got a 1.03. So it has the small boot button instead of the solder pads, which will be nice. I would say after doing some extensive reading about this flight controller, my only complaint is that there's no LED controller on it. I am considering picking up SF Evo, SP Racing. There we go. SP Racing F3 Evo, which is pretty good too. Hi, lovely wife. How are you doing? Oh, you're fine. I'll just cut it out.
We found this for you.
Oh. Haichu. Tropical Haichu mix.
Daddy, if I give you the rest of my brownie, will you give me 2 of those?
If you'll... How are you doing?
I figured you'd like those. They also had the grape and strawberry and green apple.
Have one.
What do you say? Please have one? Is that what you say?
Please.